In the world of hiring, trends are shifting, like the sands of time, they're constantly drifting. I find myself amidst resumes and dreams, where skills and passions blend in streams. Oh, recruitment dance, where do we start? With AI tools and a hopeful heart. Gone are the days of paper piles high, now algorithms sort with a discerning eye. I rhyme through interviews, a melodic spree, searching for talent that sings in key. Diversity calls, a resonant tune, voices of all under the same moon. Bring me the thinkers, the doers, the bold. Their stories like tapestries, waiting to unfold. Remote work is now a rhythmic beat, a virtual office where worlds can meet. I tap on my keyboard, a digital dance, bridging the distance, enhancing the chance. Culture fit, they say, is the name of the game. A harmonious blend, not just more of the same. With every CV, a new song begins. A chorus of skills where everyone wins. Oh, the thrill of the hunt, the joy of the find. In this lyrical journey, who knows what I'll find? So here I am in this rhythmic trance, playing my part in the recruitment dance. With melody and rhyme, I weave and I sway. In the world of hiring, come what may.